Today in this video I'm going to discuss array manipulation problem from HackerRank. If you're watching this video, then I guess you must have read the question carefully. In the question we are given n, m, a, b, k. So n is the size of the array, m is the number of queries, a and b, a is the initial index of the array, b is the last index of the array, and k is the value what we have to add to each of the index from A to B. Sorry. So there can be two approaches. One is the brute force approach. What we can do is we read A, we read B, and then from A to B we can add K. Means there we have to do two for loops from which can be m into n types. Sorry, m into n complexity. So rather than going for that brute force approach, let's see another approach which I have used. So let's move on to the notebook. So yeah, here I will be discussing directly only the solution, focusing only on the solution parts. So let's see this solution. Here we will be given queries and n. So I'll read the m, I'll read the L value, H value and value. Here L I have taken as the lower index, H as the highest index, and value as the K, what we will be getting from the queries. Okay. So actually in the question we have index from 1, starting from 1, but in the array we have index from 0. So when I will read the queries I is 0, so I will just decrease this by 1 so that it can be read as 0, 1, 2, 3 in this order rather than 1, 2, 3, 4. So we'll keep H as same and then we will read the value. So what here I am doing is we will add the value at lowest index, whatever is given, the K value at the lowest index. If 1, then we will add that at 0. If 2, then we will add at 1. So, and if highest index is less than n, means the size of the array, then we will do this one. Now, here you might be confused why we are doing this. So, it will be clear in the next step. Actually, rather than adding each step in each of the index, what I will be doing, I will be adding plus of the value at the starting index and minus of the value at the one index ahead of the end index. So if end index is 3, so I will add minus of value at 4 at fourth index. So this will be clear here now. So again we will, after doing that operation, now I will be doing this one, ARI plus equals to ARI minus 1. So in the previous case what we have done, we are putting minus at the highest index, means last index. So when we will do this operation, then it will become 0, null point, so it will not affect that value. Let's understand, it might got hodgepodge, so let's understand through an example here. So here I have taken the same example from the HackerRank itself. So you can see here we have 1, 2, so it will be according to my or array operation, it will be 0 to 1. So in the first iteration, 100 will be added to the 0th index, and then minus 100 will be added to the second index. In the second iteration, 100 will be added to the first index, and highest index is 5, and we know length of the array is also 5. So if it is equal to 1, means it is not less than n. So we will not do anywhere, we are not going to put minus value anywhere. So again next we have 3, 4 means 2 to 4. So we'll put 100 at the second index and then minus 100 at the fourth index, because 4 is less than n value is 5. So it is less than. Now we will sum. This will become 100 here. This will become 0 and this become 100 and this become minus 100. Now we will perform ai plus equals to ai minus 1. So it will become 100 ai 0. Then it will become 200, 100 plus 100, 200. Then 200 plus 0 becomes 200. Again 200 plus 0 becomes 200. 200 plus minus 100 becomes 100. So at the end we will get 200 as the maximum value. So this is the return value. So I hope this short video will give you the better concept to understand this problem. So hopes you might have understood this question. Thanks for watching this video.